Assalamu alaikum badi Gambian kolum al konton. Al badi malamu haji suwane. Konsina bitron. Al be kacha bankol al hal to. Bi jumo la tibab karotil nano 2025 July. Na kacha dum abe fanlal demanding bari be al dan al be sala moy hakilo la mo kanala moy jisola. Kadu bankobe al halo mento komen dol ka fanya menna be sila fatoleto. Lamento yalon ko menga nyatin na very critical. Yo adun say ne fana fawmu banko be sora jawo fanato adu say ne fana fawmu fanamu do la sanjano fanati politicien do la sanjano mu ni wato lete nin ko sanjano wala min ko fankama yando a sanjano be ni wato lete politicien nin ko politicien wala min ko political nyaton ko dolu anin diamu la dolu diamu la balu wato wati ka finti ka diamu del nin sifa dolu nkanam fam bondige yo ni wato de al salon ko e ka dolingo fay wolelien bari hadama do be ko kum doron innama la amalu binniyat wa innama likulli imrin bima nawa kila ya wala fonnin sallallahu alaihi wasallam yo ze salata kila makadu bi mu jumolati اللهم صل وسلم على سيدنا نبينا ومولانا محمد مصطفى صلى الله عليه وعلى آله وسلم تسليما كثيرا أكودو كودو hadama dingo bakale kake anin alaka men jibiti wala mun newti innama al a'malu binniyat do ko anin an new wa innama likulli murid itabe fo fenne fon fana kala bima nawa ya nga nenin al halu men wala nambe do nyol beddi amundila particularly fonninkelu alin sakata bake be ko kunni kala banko la ko to be fonfero be ngandi ala wala mu banko kendoti nyaton ka kendo ala mu ala yin harje wala ngawo nganneya fo ala men sin makoy membe je ngawo bondiji nin o kendo ngawo sayndanoto pour na banko sidarano asake fonninkel la so masini nafati msi ala dani fana nga tafu ngandel to ala kana setani dundinto fo min batu na foroyalu be wafila nyin tilikile nafal kamma be kumo folo damen nga Musa Ba Sidi Jawara Ba Sadi Jawara kay Sidi Musa Ba Sadi Jawara ngala kumol moy on two occasions really pour yow moy mola me yalon ko abe serious ring afon la diamo ko la ala banko isate crossroad bari hani kotake atela jero to asenano pour ka menke wala mun dala jero to kana ka molu kijo farandi dalilo kan men man seniate fawma simply because munemu ite lafta menna wala ite malo lafta menna ide lafta coalition wala bang lafta menna lafta coalition wala lafta munela bang o man soto no so ina ta lafta ka banko be dum di masi boko la ka banko di mul kijo farande badu ngol pour ngani fatam fan so di alla do man ding coalition ko mata bakele ha katu kafun anani buka fe boko la ka fe ka famale bari se même fale nyimbanko kan jabbi al halo membe nyimbanko kan jam ma fo de membe fansu moto kono lande ite ke fansu moto le borndi ibuka si jama kono la ibuka dun jama moto kono la men ko public transport ibuka dungol kono la ite kolbe fil de male bari nyimbanko kan kemme o kemme ha ni ngolbe moto kono la mo tansa yo be is against adama baro lay masakunda because of tapalian na kariya membe ji keme o keme ni na dunda mo doko la bi ni ma sekunda membe je bi ni la kacha fendinde keme o keme mo tansay si dula tansay o be ka adam role man sekunda ni reject le that is very clear ni tata marseol to bi ye adam baro kumo foje alon ko kemo kema si dula tan kono to be adam baro le masakundare jeklal wala na adam baro le masakundal ñina mu to ñaate hani na bade dulal ni baro kacha findi de je ko kan dulal lalti majority be ka baro le masakundare ñi jekle so kaje ko comme ko le sono man soto le mo ñanta ka finti ka wo mo lelta ke discourage ndi ka foyen ko because ko le sono man soto adam baro be winnale wala ni UDP man son ka ko le sono ke adam baro be winnale wala ni parti dol man ka fuñuma adam baro be winnale that is very unfair to mol men ya lon ko I believe ta ko carte fayole ka adam baro bondi je believe ta wala so sa weda akita ko le sono de bang amanke ko le sono de bang mo mon de nyanta ka believe ne wala min ko nyin jigi la tew membe nyi molto it is will inform no nyalle si nyanta ka buneke ni ngatra Musa Basir Jawara believe ta ko solution le bate bulo ko no la I think so solution no na believe ta ko adam baro nyanta ka talen amantra num ka like self PR ke ha ning a believe ta wala la ndede Musa Basir Jawara Basir Jawara kay ka follow bakale to be quite honest na man dali bari ala previous fenkolu I really follow them and mantra ni foka just because I just go against him no but I believe that if you have an alternative solution which can help na miro to radio station ni manki wo fodulati wala anyway kanaka discouragement no la mol kamene alon ko lem carte failalti wo manke al halo men nyandake because you believe ko banko is at crossroad and adam baro janta katale bari kana fo mo kilo len ko ko ke adam baro mi windale because ko lesoro man soto when ite maro wati jomalo mite waro kita ala la fudo kono me alon ko man firin folo ite maro kita wo jeri nyati it just because simply molu dun takko kolla amanta nyama anda manta nyama fana minto wala minto ko mbebiri to ko wo ko lesono ni me wo lesono me alon ko tambe 2021 believe to ko wo katte fawni asu nyatal believe to wala del believe to wala katte fawni su nyatal and I'm not ruling out ko lesono which inshallah I think so abekelale believe to ko abekelale yo bari simply because my party me alonko mbe sabat ndiko my party have no influence and mo fana ta koma ala pato fongola nata meda mo fula sabato wala tata kafu baroma baby tawla ko because adam barom don't make any new coalition mel ba bulla the same people wala ba bulla 2021 mo kuta man la faje fo my party ngamen jeje bi and my party be nje since bila contest wo election la ya reject anyway at the end of the day my party what does he did ay mu nek so ali ala fo nyin baro ninko aka mokuto le attract kananare ala fo nyin mokuta juma lel ma aka mokuta juma lel attract kananare instead baro la MPP farata fulati mol are ignoring that one we are not trying to put that to the public kajando ko MPP de as a political party mbele ngaji membe kekela so but yes still we give them the advantage and discredit the effort me alon ko lebe bokan opposition ya and I think the opposition is doing wonderful here sa membe je welu ko gambe dungol nyanta ka parele ko wo bata me alon ko lebe nyim banko kan nsa bondine nyo jo jadle nsa bono gambe dungol kanyadile by encouraging people to believe in the oppositions not right to ko ma for those at the ruling party because we'll talk but if you think you are a genuine opposition to barola policy la programo I believe to ko man sakuna takanya na mantra takuka I believe to ko banko batarine I think the option is how do you join hand but never have no I'm not into politics so I don't play cards in politics what anyway who are they trying to deceive you are not in politics but you still have the guts go there and talk about politics in fact going to an extent discrediting the opposition's effort opposition katakol menke ibol feyande kam ikana kam man sakuna membe ite go you are against those policies but ibo wala chances on ibo empower kan ibo embolden kan by discouraging people from believing in the oppositions do you think that is fair that's genuine that's not genuine to me intela jiron to they are playing cards wala nam ko sanjano le yeleta bari de sanjano mi yeleta we have to take our time nyimbanko nyina tinyata mbeleng but what I believe in the grassroots ordinary members menal katifailal menal ko their electorates local electorates wolu 90% of them 80% wallahi wol be discourage barola koto MPP ke taxa ñamena batame me ñimbanko ka ñambi koleame me ñimbanko ka ñambi tapale nakara me ñimbanko ka ñambi ikajele mo belem majority bele discourage barola koto but these few people few individuals so lebeje wala lafta ka wo mo men discourage barola koto wala nataka wala lafta ka naka problème yalon baro ba laka wol kan wo mol kan gambe dingol kan ñim mo dantane be findila abaji la wala be la fila ka wo problème ñin ton ka bondi ka ke mol fon la problème de instilo barola problème kato ñing ko lambe lan mol kan jambi ni ngatra musi fintino mol be ñim pata ba men ko la marcel be ñim tinya men ko la dalaso be ñim halako men ko la bi tapalan nakara be siari ñim banko ka ñamen na bi abe jumal barola masakunda national assembly pe mu le reveal kan sa inte kunu nga f pack ngila ila report ngala moy birna jata ke ndal bundal tapalan nakara men biji latna ni mol ko boro man tal tanol to you wonder why kodo min katalu tan je molli ka tala nyote maje ministre membe ji ala do ko muneti jumala ministre mo amanke adam barote ba masa ko do ko dali kaje ye cheko nyin kan cheko nyin ta ya safete to do ba cheko nyin ya cancel ba yer fil cheko nyin me yalon ka cancel tale wo cheko la kodo nyin han sa ya bondile fana ko rek cheko me yalon ka cancel tale ye cheko cancel ye cheko din tela bari adina de cheko nyin manya ka din tela ya iko ya cancel la abe safere ngabala ko cancel ba ita bank ya tar kodo nyin findi dala je ko do tar min tole eko ghost workers min tara fo million mo ni sama ya wala jo molia mol men ya lonko itel ko wol be do ko masakunda ko la bar kiskisiro audit ya tan ko man tara do ko masakunda ko la million mo ni sama bara ko le million fula damma peti wala so do ko la wo million mo anin kilingo ni wota min tole tunat na jota andi tele ko tele fa yo appoint mana ni tara officially e katra is an appointment but physically wo mol bu katra je akamando kayto kono la ya hajita do ko la bari ibuka hajite do ko dula hinto je ibuka haji trace out no do ko dula hinto je anu kayto ko la ay hajita do ko la anu nin karo fa haji kala karo fa jo fana tale ko dake wala tara fo tala so million mo anin saba itele men fo anu danga la siya ba tawtule baro million mo anin saba for sabo fana ko la le iko ye men musoro no wala million fula daka monta ko yo le biriya ibota ko woni kalama ya wole la ko do stop ko do biriya ko do stop bank sol stop million fula damma wala stop nota bari wo million mo anin kilo ngoni be e ma woje no madi mon alko banku sifa wala dingol ka finde ka fo molen ko itil kana ko e kam molu hañindile pour ya hañi barolo masakunda nya ko tek masakunda me yalon ka be nyimbe la kam molka na mole na nyemuta bunda fisheries department e pak la reporto député bu la reporto me tan je geology eka national mendi eka fenkol mendi eka kol mendi risito fambo ka sotoje akamata ko dro wol ni jota munem wala na nyobo ka soto no gambia bi to munem tapale na kariyam be sharje balobe ko leare so politician killing me yalon politique nyaton ko lem wo lafta ay ferel menke politique ko la alafta ay dépensol menke politique ko la alafta ay asla jiro to ko men losi solom ay campagnol menke ala jero to mebe atete ke no la masakundati Musa Basiri Jawala ni wolta kala baroka. What does the UDP have to do with that? UDP is a Menkeno as a political party. Well, we to reach out to other members of the opposition. Kambulo eleng, kakache, ke believe ko banko kasarakan. Albe men fokam banta, ibe men fokam banta. Ndonyo lo opposition ibe men fokam banta. Ke landi ko definitely banko kasarakan. Barinte force no la pour ya lankan. Because UDP the policy on zero tolerance for corruption mo jama fana bislandi wala nya ka fo tapala na kala ni UDP na masakunda kon la de wote keno la chances to sodo la pour mosi o domoro ki sifal keno na mo lol ki jo farata ko ni UDP masakunda nata mo lel o ko tel sifalo akamanta ko wo chances sifal soto no la so dolde o mi prifala le pour kata barole kan because barole ka chances sifal di mol UDP have no option no authority to force those type of politicians pour yana lankan ko le solo nde force no la. The only thing we can do, UDP is making to open our arms, to open our doors, to engage our fellow opposition members. And some of them have attested it. It only of was about UDP, UDP, they reach out to us. But minimum, we make it very clear to you. Zero tolerance for corruption policy. Any government that UDP is going to be part of, we will implement it. They have Fontaji Mela Comne Coalition Lekede. Nina masakunda ko la den nyanta ka nyanta ka tafawle ka banko dingol la sono fengota ka nakari nto kala de it has to be very clear jannin ka dum bo suto kono la nkan koy nyoma bantale ka fo de nin dunta de nin finita na benjam ha ban dun ko la kun kana nyoni bo suto kono la le mbuka nyo jeno la. So the zero tolerance for corruption policy, UDP will not compromise for that one. Yes, there are genuine oppositions, they are ready. They are very well ready to be part of that one. Opposition me alongo yimbang college, opposition me alongo yimbang kolkam, opposition me believe ko yimbang man fuharia, bari banko daji ko me alongo le banko nyaton kolto wala fuhariata, wala miskiniata. So what dano nyadi so sanse no nyadi le opposition men believe wala de wol bi UDP be lala nyokande pour kanyim banko fali. But opposition men believe ko ninte dunda yandro what is my share? Nte ba jela sutola. How much are you going to give me? Opposition UDP because United Democratic Party, we are not going to be part of that type of company again. Enough is enough. Nyimbanko political funds are so beandile. And nani message I would want it to be forwarded. I don't know whoever has Musa Basir Jawarala number. To form a coalition is not a matter of by force. No. But to form a coalition is part of negotiation dialogue. And that negotiation and dialogue, United Democratic Party, we are doing that. We are open to that. Which is confirmed by some opposition party members or leaders. But therefore, we don't have the authority to force anybody to believe in us or to force anybody to join us. The only thing we have an obligation to reach out to every single Gambian. Whether you are an opposition leader or you are an ordinary Gambian. And UDP is doing that. We are crisscrossing the country, whether you know it or not. UDP is at everywhere. We are reaching out to every household, every individual. You have a say, you have the right to hear us. But we don't have the right to force you, we don't have the right. Barrow have the chances to win the 2026 election again because of this and that. I think that is fallacy. That is fallacy. I think that's meant to mislead the Gambian people. I think there's an ulterior motive to that. Because take your time today. Use 10 public transport on 10 different locations. Just raise this issue of Gambia B. I can bet that Ningo Moto 30 passenger beje wala 20 passenger beje mbafole enko 19 o bebe barola masakona rijeklale 19 o bebe barola masakona rijeklale dula tan choose you create your time for yourself yeta nyi dula do bi yamo do tayiran do bi kanela mo do use the public transport use iboda jafana yijide o dula fana you target the market and talk to people. My brother, you will find that this country people have already rejected Barrow, but now people like you, Musa Basir Jawara and others, to make sure that we have to inform people correctly, but not to misinform them. What is the role of citizens now? That is the important thing we have to do. Because we can still have coalition, and yet still people are misinformed. Then, from there, the wrong person can be at the helm of affairs. But yes, we can contest election as single parties, but people are correctly being informed. Yet still, you can have the right person in government. But yes, coalition is always an advantage. But ninga coalition form, ninga strategy what is stopping you from reaching out to this opposition leader? The advice you are giving is genuine. It's not a PR advice. I think so. This is the direction that every Gambian should be taking now. One political party leader to go and join Barrow. Anyway, people blaming UDP for that. Political party nyatu killing. We think akata kata lie MPP lekam. UDP intel ngam ne soto woto. Ana man intel mo ma do fana engage. Ninge engage man na lantel kam. Why can't you ask yourself? Because to be quite honest, UDP doesn't have any ministerial position today. We are at opposition. We don't have a government. We cannot offer anybody in a ministerial position. We cannot offer anybody to be a vice president. We cannot offer anybody to be a permanent secretary. All we can offer you is how the Gambia is today. And the policies we have solutions to this problem that are existing and definitely putting up this hardship on all of us collectively. Banko ta kanya men nga men so ka wala fo molien ka dande ko na solution fana mu nyim policy ni nyim policy le di ni nga nyina to na kamro ko Gambia be tamala le comme be nga yili anyanda ka tamanya men UDP wala so mi but place tam bulan si men dino mola ko itel mu vice president because itel manke man sekundati nte minister place dino mola kanu nte manke man sekundati nte mo ke no permanent secretary because manke man sekundati no nte o ke no la the only thing si men ke no wala mi to ko ka itande mola ko ni aje ko le mi la ngal kan bi and me ala gol faram toñati man sakunda la tañale mo ila tarambulo le be ko la kan alkan banko di ka ni lafta ko la ay boje mbe ñinni nekala ni nga ñi ko ko la betalale ba natara moldu nga palaso le jelu man laf ka policy moy but they want to be in positions today before UDP is there wala moldu dol bi jewol paritale pour they wanted to corrupt the system before they are into the system. How do you think we can convince those people? Mom yaram ko lafta ka system mo ñu corrupt le jandi ka system mo ñu fanko la. And UDP is not ready for that. Because until zero tolerance for corruption policy, there's nothing that can stop us from implementing that. Nyimba ko nyim fonsi so be yale nga tapale na kare nga kele. And do tapale na kare ya. Ning ay momo ning kijo fara. Ka fo ni UDP na da wolto compromise la wala. Is it la UDP kande? You will not join UDP. And UDP will not regret for that. We will not regret for that. All what we don't want to do is to be dishonest and misinform Gambian people, mislead and deceive them. Na fenso de bula me alon ko nte fon la ning alati man tenala o barandila UDP ntel ko wala avoid because mlifta ko political ka bankoti dada but ati political no fana political ki bambolo ko maka bankoti nya so wo politics sifani UDP man laftar la part of that type of politics bodde al salon ko sanjano lel tade dol be je be fintila be UDP castigate lale ibe fon be fala UDP male because monemu they want something from somewhere of course. Don't tell me you were rich. Don't tell me you got money. No, can I for the contempt no na float no, don't tell me that. My friend Harmadia ko men kuma ta wolo men to kawasa. Ni moma wasa. Hana ta ye billionaire diala. He doesn't care. Yes, he can still go out there and say I am a millionaire. Or a million allow millionaire fire wasan lema. Uma wasandi. Ni moma wasa daji ko. Abuka wasa no. Mola foroya na man wasa. At wasanola. Mola tilingo na man wasa at wasanola. Fo mo si tiling nyawa sele tiling fana ko la ko teke fo mo e froya yawa saw ko la fana ko teke bare nengatra molu they only want to outside I am content I have money but in your heart you want to still fight and mislead people because you want more money and nyingambe jam it seems that wala be jam ala baraka